spill soft across the floor. Coffee cooling by the door. I used to chase a distant view. Now I'm waking up to you. All the noise I held so tight fades into a quieter kind of right. Love what you have, right where you stand. Not every dream needs a bigger plan. Hands in the moment, heart finally still. Some things don't need fixing, some never will. Love what you have, let it be enough. There's a kind of magic in the simple stuff. City hum like a gentle song. Nothing here feels rushed or wrong. Used to think I'd miss my turn. Now I see there's more to learn. I don't need the perfect scene, just a light that feels like me. All the gold I couldn't see was already here quietly. Love what you have, right where you stand. No more reaching for another land. Here in the present, I understand. Everything I needed was close at hand. Love what you have, let it be enough. There's a steady beauty in the simple stuff. Soft as a whisper, clear as a truth. I was searching for more, found it in you. It was a mile marker bending in the heat. Sky stretched thin like a worn-out sheet. I wasn't looking for a sign or a clue, just driving through what I couldn't undo. Old radio barely holding a tune. Static dancing in the afternoon, and something slipped through the empty blue, like it had a map straight leading to you. Didn't turn the dial, didn't ask for anything new. There it was, breaking through. It was a song that found you out on the road with nothing left to prove. Fell through the cracks in the quiet and blue, like it always knew. It was a song that found you, didn't matter where you were passing through. Yeah, it found radio fading, but I still hear it move. Like it's writing every road I choose. Not something lost or something to pursue. Just a song that found you.
Under the sky where the moonlight plays, ripples dance in the river's grace. Dreams float by on a softened wave, whispering tales of a gentle place. Stars above in a velvet blue, casting wonders in the night so true. Hearts find peace as they glide on through. Every glow, a promise made anew. Feel the night breathe soft and low. Let your worries freely go. Close your eyes and let it flow. In the calm, just let it show. Shadows drift in a slow ballet. Nature's lullaby begins to sway. Every note in a sweet array, painting silence with a touch of gray.